Lately, we have had an influx of clients who are looking for special houses. Homes that do not look like any other, and homes that are supposed to display a certain character that differentiate you from the rest of the people. This is one of such houses, and our duty today is to take you through everything that it comes with. And if you would be interested in purchasing it, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. There are two reasons why we have decided to review this house. First is the location. The unit is located just 4 minutes off Thika Road in Ruiru. The unit has been done very well, and it is in a massive gated estate with small courts. This specific court has 8 units, only 8 units, and the security here is just perfect. The second reason is the quality of the finishing and the amenities that comes with this unit. Other amenities include a solar water heater and intercom, and all that is for 39 million Kenya shillings. From there, you can agree with me that the unit has been done excellently well. I'm loving the quality of the roofing. This cladding that has been done on the wall is just making this unit look very timeless, and the 3 pillars that are becoming part of the entrance porch are just amplifying the look of this home. On my right hand side, you have a section that has been reserved for your parking area, big enough to fit your 2 Range Rovers, and next to it you have your power backup. It is a 60 kVA generator, and the developer told me that this would be big enough to serve 2 homes like this one. So when you are here, you do not expect to have any blackouts anytime soon. For the green spaces, you have this small garden where you can plant your favorite vegetables. Right now you have some kales, managu, and some tereres. If you know the names of those in English, you should tell us in the comment section below. The home also comes with fire extinguishers. You have one here in case the fire breaks out when you're outside. We also have another set inside. We will show you that later. On my left hand side, you have your flower garden. Right now you have a variety of so many flowers, but if you want to settle down on one, that can be done for you. This unit comes with a water storage of 36,000 liters, 15,000 liters from the city council, another 15,000 liters from the rainwater, and you also have a supply from a borehole which is just in this estate. The developer is also intending to paint this whole house or slightly renovate it to make sure that it will be customizable for your own demands. This home comes with a 24-hour surveillance system with more than 30 cameras, and it is connected to the guard security center to make sure that if an alarm rings in this home, the guard security center personnel will be here in less than 10 minutes. We tried that, and you can see a video of them when they just arrived. Those guys are serious, and they come fully equipped with fire extinguishers and anything else that can be used to stop any hazard. This home comes with 2 entrances. You have this one that is leading you to the foyer of the unit, and you have another entrance that is supposed to take you directly to the main living room. At the foyer, you can start to understand the quality of materials that we have here. As you can see, we are getting wooden floor all over, and there is mahogany finishing in the entrances of all common spaces. Right now, we are in the guest living room. It is not the biggest, though it has been done very well. This was designed to keep your guests busy or entertained as they are waiting for you to enjoy a time with them or to have a meeting with them. This space was also designed to keep the guests less distracted from all the activities that are happening in the main living room. As you can see, it comes with 3 big windows for enough natural light, and I'm loving this stone cladding because it is just improving the look of this space. This is the main living room and I'm loving the size. It would be enough to fit a normal nuclear family. That is the door that I mentioned earlier, and as you can see, this living room has been sunken, and that is to create a different atmosphere from the rest of the unit. It comes with your TV area. This is where you are going to do all your electronics. When we were coming here, this owner had an 85-inch TV over here, but right now, because they are upgrading, they'll have to remove all their furniture. The living room also comes with a chimney area to make sure that you are getting a cozy environment, especially when Kenya is cold. This Naivasha Yellowstone cladding on the chimney is breaking the monotony of the coloring of this living room, and I'm loving how the lighting has been done, plus the gypsum ceilings. You are getting your mood lights, your center light, your side lights, and your recess lights. Very, very interesting. The living room is opening to the dining area on my far front. It is a massive space to fit an 8-seater dining set. Right now we have a 6-seater. If you want to get this unit with this dining table, you just need to talk to the owner. I'm loving it. The quality is timeless and everything has been done to the optimum. On this side, you have your small vanity, dining room vanity. I'm not going to tell you why it is there. We have said that in so many videos. Under the staircase, you have an extra storage, maybe where you can do an extra shoe rack. I don't know what you should do with that space, but it is an extra space which you can use to fit your own interests. The dining area opens to the kitchen, and this home is adopting a semi-open plan method where you have a small space here for the minibar, and the opening also gives you an access to the people in the kitchen. If I was to discuss the details of this unit, I would say that this kitchen is the highlight of this home. It is very spacious for this kind of a unit. Let's start from this side. As you can see, the kitchen comes with numerous lower and upper cabinetry, done very well. I'm loving this mechanism. It is something that is not very common, and next to it you have your cooking area, which comes with a 5-burner cooktop, which is a gas cooktop, and on top of it you have the heat extractor. Behind me you have your washing area, which comes with a double sink, and you also have a soap dispenser next to it. The window of this kitchen is massive, and it is supplying a ton of light to this kitchen. I'm loving that it comes with a set of blinds to make sure that you can close and open depending on the amount of light that you may want. On this other side, you have your warming area and your oven, and this is where you should cook your cakes or warm your food when it gets cold. At the center, you have an island. It is not very functional because it doesn't have a sink or maybe a small cooking area, but it is very usable, especially when you want to chop your vegetables. On top of it, I'm loving the light fixture. Done excellently, and I don't know if the motivation or it was inspired by the lake, because it is a fish-like light fixture. It is nice, I like it, but I would want to know the inspiration behind it. On this other side, you have a small section which has been reserved to act as your pantry, and as usual, you are getting an extra fire extinguisher. This unit comes with 2 laundry areas. You have a small internal laundry area, and this comes in handy, especially when you want to wash your clothes at night. Right now we are at the rear side of this unit, and on the far end you have a store. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom employee quarters. This is the external toilet, and you have a staircase here that is supposed to take you to the gym. We are going to see that in a few minutes. Below that you have the external laundry area. On my left hand side you have the clothes area and a dog's kennel. This gym is very standard, and if you purchase this home, you'll be able to maintain your perfect body. Wow, love it. Next to the gym, you have the control center, and that's where all the cameras have been connected and the data has been hidden somewhere here. So in case you need to review the footage of something that happened, you'll have to come to this room and get all the footage. Before I take you to the upper level, we need to see the common washroom and the guest bedroom. The common washroom comes with a vanity at the entrance, and you have your toilet space. Done very well and big enough for any size of a human. Right now we are in the guest bedroom. It has been done very well and it is big enough to fit all your guests. I'm loving that it comes with a dresser on this side. You have a big size closet for all the guest clothes, and each bedroom comes with these nettings to protect you from bad mosquitoes. The guest bathroom is here and it comes with all the fixtures that you may want. On this side you have your showering area, which comes with a shower cubicle. At the center you have your wash basin that comes with a small mirror, and on my far left you have your WC. I'm loving this shot because it is giving you an impression of how much mahogany has to be used by the developer to make this home look this posh. Look at the stairs. Look at the floors, the dining area, look at the door frames and the staircase railings. I'll take you upstairs. Some of you keep telling me, Mungai Kihara, we need a quick access to these houses. How can we get them? Just go to our website, go to the search bar, type what you want. For this house, just go type Ruiru and the house will be there for you to view with all the details. On my right hand side, you have the family room of this unit. Next to it, you have the primary bedroom. At the center, you have a shoe storage. And on my left wing, you have the kids' bedrooms. This is the family room, and it is big enough to fit a family couch like this one. And this is where you relax with your family when you want to discuss family business or you want to have some time away from the common areas. The family room comes with a balcony where you can relax and enjoy the morning sunshine, and this is where you get the best views of this locality. From there, what do you think about the unit? Is it worth that 9 million that the developer is asking? And if you were to buy this house, what changes would you want the developer to do to make it bespoke for you? Make sure you tell us in the comment section below. The primary bedroom is the biggest, and you will compare it with the rest of the bedrooms to notice the differences. On this side you have the primary bedroom TV area, and that's where you can do a small couch to see the evening or the morning news. On this other side you have your sleeping area, big enough to fit a king size or a queen size bed, and you have these nettings to make sure you are protected from malaria. On this side you have the balcony of this primary bedroom, and it is giving you the best views of this locality. From there you can see that this is a well-developed locality, very secure and with a lot of rich people. If there is something that is very interesting, is the ceiling height. The primary bedroom is coming with a walk-in closet, and next to it you have the biggest bathroom that you'll see in this unit. The walk-in closet is not the biggest, though it would be sufficient for you and your partner. Right now we are in the primary bath, and it comes with a vanity here, a space or a compartment section where you can keep your toiletries, and you have a WC just next to me. Behind me you have a steam bath, and it has been accompanied by a shower cubicle. The bathroom also comes with a double towel holder. From the primary bedroom, you have the shoe section, and it has been designed to fit 50 pairs. Next to it, you have the first kids' bedroom on this level. This bedroom is slightly bigger than the second bedroom that we will see, and it comes with its closet here, which is floor to ceiling, done very well, and you have a mirror at the center and a dresser on this side. As you can see, the window is huge for enough natural light, and you have the bathroom here. Massive space, which comes with a shower cubicle, a WC and a wash basin. Directly opposite to the first bedroom, you have the second bedroom, and it is an exact replica to the guest bedroom that we saw below it. You have the sleeping section on this side, a big window for enough natural light that is opposite to the closet section, and you have a dresser here. The bathroom is adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we saw in this unit. We have come to the end of the video, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to purchase this unit, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. As always, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.